Hey, I'm Mike Berlin with Slam Car Wash Marketing. I'm going to run you through how to get slammed from day one. Number one, define your brand. Write out your brand mission, vision, your business purpose, and your personality statement. Conduct a demographic study and competition research so you can figure out the opportunities in your area. If your direct competition is doing silly characters and bubbles and fun, maybe you should go a little more serious with your brand and more community driven. Build a document that defines your brand, then create a logo and use guide. Number two, develop a killer website. Make sure it's optimized for Google search with proper H1 tags, keywords, and make sure it's built with a content management system like WordPress so that it can be updated easy. Make sure you're wired into your e-commerce and your POS. Pay special attention to your location pages and embed a YouTube video and Google Map on your homepage. You want to make sure it's mobile responsive so it works on phones and tablets because that's where most of our users are these days. Be sure to host your site on a very fast cloud-based hosting server because page load speeds can affect how you rank on Google. Lastly, have an expert do a review of your site and make sure it's optimized for Google search. Number three, sync your online presence. Set up and sync your online presence. Properly set up your Google My Biz, your Facebook, Instagram, Nextdoor, Yelp, Bing, and your Waze accounts. Make sure your business data is in perfect sync. Optimize your listings with photos, videos, and offers now, and update it once your wash is live and can be photographed fully. Next, build out a monthly content calendar to coordinate all the messaging across social media for daily and weekly posts. Create a strategic plan to grow followers. After you do these first three things, set them aside and start working on how you're going to get new customers. Number four, earn loyalty. Design a loyalty program so that customers can earn points for free car washes. Use your POS to manage this program. This loyalty program will be the reason customers want to opt in for your text marketing. Number five, capture phone numbers. Make sure you're fully set up with LPR and text opt-in screens on your pay station so that we can capture each customer's phone number as they come through the wash. The more phone numbers we have now means the more people we can market to later. Number six, create an ad plan. Make sure whenever you spend money on advertising that it's trackable. As part of your advertising, build in marketing automation with smart landing pages and ad retargeting. Coordinate your promotions with your digital menu and your LED reader boards. Utilize your POS for your central customer database so that we know exactly who we're targeting. And lastly, consider small trackable direct mail drops and local radio ads. Make sure you can track all your advertising and do what makes sense for your location. Number seven, launch a grand opening. Create an aggressive online exclusive promotion for grand opening days. This can be for discount washes or unlimited clubs. Run this promotion and drive customers to sign up ahead of time on your website. Your goal is to bring in revenue before the wash opens and reward those customers for taking a chance on your new wash. And be sure they have a way to quickly share it with their friends. We all know if our friends share a deal with us, we're more likely to look at it. Number eight, kick off sales. Get your staff involved with selling. There's some secret ingredients to this special sauce, but what you want to remember is your staff is on property and in front of customers all day, every day. Use this to capture more unlimited signups, especially around the grand opening. Create goals and rewards and track sales from each person. Arm them with the materials to close the deal and the training to do it in a comfortable, authentic way. Number nine, go make some friends. Visit local businesses around your wash. Work out some deals with takeout restaurants, or go give coupons and free washes to large offices. And make sure to connect with people in places of local influence. Make them feel like they have a connection to you and the new business neighbor in town. Number 10, opening day. If you're an owner, plan to be at the pay station greeting the customer. Make sure your crew is well energized and hydrated, and have someone shaking a sign out at the road if possible. Have your manager in the vac area talking to every customer and ask happy customers to give us a review. Make sure everyone that leaves that property is happy. If you need help launching your car wash, give us a call at Slam. It's what we do all day, every day, and we love it. Thanks for watching.